Have you ever wondered what artificial intelligence actually is and how it works? Or how it affects our everyday life and in which areas it is used? In this video, we're going to clarify just that. So stay tuned to learn more about the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Key is a field of computer science that deals with how we can teach computers to develop human-like abilities. This means, for example, solving problems, recognizing patterns, or learning from experience. There are different types of AI, such as weak and strong artificial intelligence. Weak AI specializes in certain tasks, while strong AI can actually do everything a human can in theory. How does artificial intelligence work to develop AI? Let's use different technologies and approaches. These include machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning. For example, machine learning is an approach where computers learn from data by recognizing patterns and making connections. Neural networks are inspired by the way our brains work and are made up of interconnected neurons. Deep learning is an advanced form of neural networks that allow for even more powerful models. Application areas of artificial intelligence can already be found in many fields today. For example, deep learning. Automation AI helps optimize workflows and use resources more efficiently. Medicine AI improves diagnoses and treatments for patients. Education AI supports teachers and adapts learning content to the needs of students. Traffic AI optimizes traffic flow and increases road safety. Speech and image recognition AI understands and processes natural language and recognizes objects and people in images. So, in a nutshell, this is artificial intelligence. That's how it works. And it's already being used successfully in many areas. The world of AI is truly fascinating and affects our lives in many ways. It is now.